SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from SolveYourTech.com will show you how to change the iPhone 13 reachability setting. If you have trouble reaching the top of your iPhone screen when you hold it with one hand, then you might want to try enabling the reachability setting on the device. Alternatively, if you accidentally activate the iPhone half screen a lot, then you may want to disable it. So let's jump into our video about how to change the iPhone 13 reachability option. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one.
If you have trouble using your iPhone 13 with one hand, or if you're accidentally activating reachability when you don't mean to, then you might be wondering how to enable or disable the iPhone 13 reachability setting. You can adjust this option by going to the Settings app, scrolling down and choosing the Accessibility option, tapping the Touch button in the Physical and Motor section of the menu, then tapping the button to the right of Reachability. If you want to use reachability, then you just need to swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen, and then you can scroll through the app as though you were using it normally. Reachability will reset if you don't touch the screen for a couple seconds, or you can activate it manually by tapping the arrow that's going to appear. So we activate reachability like that, and then it's either going to go back on its own, or we can tap the arrow at the top of the screen.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.